Guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll see one error, guys, that is 404 not found. You can see, guys, this error today we will solve, okay, and even I'll tell the reason because of which reason this error will come, okay. And suppose if you're beginner, if you're new to API, and if you're advanced also, if you're experienced also, then also you will learn something from this, guys, okay. So just watch the video till end, okay, because I'll cover lots of different reasons also, okay. Fine. So you can see, guys, 404 not found. Not found means what, guys? It is not getting that file. It is clearly it is telling the root API / post could not be found. Okay, so this might one reason, guys, because of this error will come. Okay, that is because of root or because of path it is not getting. Okay, so to check the root we need to go in our code. So I'll go in my code. You can see. So whatever the root of API are there, that we will write in one file, guys. Okay, so here I have written in api.php. So these are my roots. Okay, so I'm using a post. You can see here there is a post request, right? So I'm using this root. Okay, so in this root there is an one API, guys. Okay, so that API I'm calling here. That API I'm calling here. Okay, but while calling the API means what I'm doing is I'm storing this data, that is date, title, and images in my database. Okay, but I'm getting this error. Okay, everything is correct, but still, why? Because I think you got why this error is coming, because you can see, guys, the root of this is post. Okay, and here there is a post one. Okay, so you just remove the one from here. Okay, now we'll see whether it will work or not, because now everything is correct, right? You can see the root is also correct. Here this is also correct, and if I check my code, if in controller now, so the store method is also correct, guys. So this method is also correct. I have checked it. I have verified. Okay, now I'll send this. Now everything is correct. It should work. See, still it is not working. Okay, so this I'll tell, guys, why this is not working and how to solve it. Before that, I'll tell one more thing. Okay, see, guys, suppose if I have given here any space also, for example, if I am giving here any space, and if I try to check test my API, then also I'll get error, guys. You can see here it will get like this if there is any space. If I take here also any space, okay, now error is there, but I'll solve and I'll tell you. Okay, here also you can see it. Okay, so, guys, this also I'll tell you. Before this we'll solve this error. Okay, so, guys, sometime what will happen if this root is not correct, then also it will give error. And for example, if I have taken here post one, and sorry, here post one, and if you have taken here only post, that time also you will get this error, guys. Okay, post could not found. Okay, so this is the another reason. So I'll make it correct now. Now my root is correct, everything is correct, but still I'm getting. So sometime what will happen is, sometime our blocks, whatever the roots are there now, that root will get cache memory only, like previous memory, so it will give continuously this error. So for this, what you can do, guys, you can clear your cache memory also. Okay, so to clear the cache memory, what you need to do, I'll give some command, guys. You can see that this command we need to use, guys, to clear our roots. Okay, so once we clear the root, okay, so we'll start here and we'll clear the roots. Okay, okay, now you can see, guys, our roots has been cleared. Okay, now we'll test. So if you are getting this error, you can try this also solution. Okay, so now one more thing we have to do here, that also I'll tell. Okay, now also it is not working. Okay, one more, sometime what will happen, guys, while creating APIs and all, we will do some mistake, like we will run two files at a time. So you can see here is my one file. Okay, I have not run only, I have to run, and this file, two files at a time. If you are running at that time also, you will get error, guys. Okay, so this is also one of the reason it will not work. Okay, so try to use only one file, because it will not understand which localhost you're using, whether you're using this localhost or that localhost. So it will get confused and it will give this error, guys. It is 404 not found. Okay, so now you can see there's now only one file is running. If you're doing any API, then there's only one file you run, because if the port is same, it will get confused and it will tell the error, that is 404 not found. Okay, now we'll see the, now everything is correct. Now we'll see, because I have cleared the root also, even I have minimized that one more file also. Now we'll see and we'll test. Okay, so I'm sending. Okay, now you can see, guys, it is created. Okay, so you can see, guys, lots of things I have shown you, right, why this error will come. Now I'll show you this also. Now it is correct, right? If I give a space, what will happen? You can see 404 not found, because of one single space also it will give the error, guys. Okay, So these are the some reason guys. First one is you need to check the root. Once again I will glance guys. First you need to check the root. This root and this root both should be same. Okay. Then you need to check the this root also. Okay. Then you need to check the species also, whether species are there or not. And one more thing you need to check, your code is correct or not. Okay. So that also very important. Even you need to check the method also. Here suppose if you have taken here post and if you have taken here get, then also it will not work. Okay. So that also you need to check. And one more thing is, while running any API or Laravel API, that time don't turn on two files at a time. Okay, just turn on only one file because the server will be same as here. Okay, so only one file turn on. And one more last reason which is very important, that is clear the roots. Okay, because it will take the cache memory. So clear the roots. Okay, so these are the 5 or 6 solution I have told guys. If you're getting this error now 404 not found, you try this. It will work definitely. Okay. Still, if it is not working, you can comment in comment box. Okay. And if you're new to my channel, then guys don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because I'll bring the more interesting topics for you. Okay. So thank you so much and keep supporting me.